So for this question here, we're going to have to complete a table and then we're going to plot a quadratic. We know it's a quadratic and it's going to end up looking like a curve because it's got a power of 2 up here. Okay, I'm going to show you a quicker method of doing this from the one that we did before. Quite simply, we're going to let the calculator do the hard work, but we're going to write this, replacing the x value each time with the x value that's given. So in the first instance, it's going to be -1. So we're going to rewrite the equation, replacing the x value in each one with -1 in the first instance, and press equals on a calculator, and it'll give us the y value. Just a bit of advice. My advice is whatever we substitute in for x, just put it in brackets. It'll just make life so much easier when dealing with negatives, and I can explain why in the future. So that looks like y equals brackets -1 squared minus 2 times -1 minus another 4. So if we plug that in our calculator, you would get 1, because -1 squared is 1, minus 2 times -1. 2 times -1 is -2. So minus -2 is the same as add 2. Minus 4 would give us 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 minus 4 is -1. So do the same with the x value of 2. So replace x with 2 each time in the equation. And we get y is 2 squared is 4, minus 2 times 2, so minus 4, and then minus the 4 again. So 4 take away 4 is 0, 0 minus 4 is -4. And we put that value in the table there. So we've only got to replace x with 4 now, just for the last one. Okay, so 4 squared is 16, so y equals 16, minus 2 times 4, so minus 8, minus the 4 that's at the end there. Okay, so that gives us 16 take away 8 is 8, 8 take away another 4 is 4. So we just put 4 in our last box here. And that gives us our completed table. So finally, we just plot these, and we should end up with a parabola that's like a U. So remember, these are coordinates, -2, 4, like that, -1, -1, 0 minus 4, 1 minus 5, 2 minus 4, 3 minus 1, 4, 4. And if you do that correctly, it should look something like this. And then, quite simply, all you have to do is a nice curve going through those. And that's the line y equals x squared minus 2x minus 4. And it looks like that. Okay.